All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1017, Allen case. Judge, both parties have been sworn.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mrs. Allen or Miss Allen?
It's Mrs. still.
Mrs. Okay.
For divorce, he has started seeing someone else, and I would like back pay for our son. He is 12 years old.
Okay. Do you want back pay because he's seeing someone else?
Well, because he is supporting somebody else. He's no longer in our home, and I would like to have back pay and start paying child support for our son. That he is living with me.
Okay. I just want to make sure we're not. You want back pay for the child, right? Not necessarily because he's moved on.
Yes.
Hold on to your seats, because this courtroom drama is about to get intense. Mrs. Allen has been separated from her husband for just 5 months, and she's here not only for a divorce, but also demanding back pay for child support. But wait, here's the twist. Her husband's new girlfriend? She used to be Mrs. Allen's yoga student. Money, emotions, betrayal. Can the court separate it all? Stick around, because the shocking numbers in this case could change their lives forever.
Since he left, has he given you any type of support?
Yes.
Okay, how much?
About 600.
600 each month?
Money orders every month, ma'am.
Okay, money orders, okay, good. And it looks like you turned those in to me. Okay, so you want child support and back pay?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. And what do you have to say about that?
I don't think I need to give back pay. It's like we just had mentioned. I've been giving her $600 every month in money orders. Plus I take care of the insurance.
Okay, and how much is the insurance exactly?
Insurance is $109.
Okay, and I like that you came prepared with your notes and stuff. You don't see too many people come to court with their documents, so that's good. So about this significant other, do you believe that that's the reason you're being brought to court now?
Yes, completely.
Okay, is there a story behind that? Like, did they have an argument, a disagreement?
Well, they don't like each other.
I mean, obviously.
Well, thing is that she's a yoga instructor.
Okay.
And she works, she does her yoga. And the woman I'm seeing now actually is a former student of hers.
Oh, so you know her.
Knew her.
You knew her?
Yes.
Were you guys friends?
She was an acquaintance that I'd help her, took her under my wing. She's younger, she's 20 years younger than me.
And you're mad about that?
I'm not happy about it. I mean, wouldn't you be? I mean, what do you expect, you know?
Well, me personally, this has nothing to do with me.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, this caught me off guard. I do focus myself a lot at work. He's upset, so I'm hardly focusing on him, so I guess that's why he decided to find somebody else.
She's focused on her work and not on me and her son. That's the reason why we're having issues now.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Based on your financial documents that you provided, it looks like you own an accounting firm. You make about $85,000 a year?
Correct.
Okay. And health insurance, you said, who covers that?
I do.
How much is that?
$109 a month.
Okay. So what we are going to do is calculate your child support. And
Now here's where things heat up. Mrs. Allen isn't just upset about her ex moving on. She's angry because she feels he's not supporting their son the way he should. He's been paying $600 a month, plus covering insurance. But she wants back pay, arguing he's spending more on his new girlfriend than his child. Is this really about fairness, or is it just about squeezing more money out of him? The court is about to decide.
calculation comes out to, if there is a difference, then the back pay would be, what you've already paid would be a credit towards that. So you wouldn't necessarily get the full amount of what the back pay should be. And you shouldn't expect it because he has proof that he's giving you money and you actually agreed that he's been giving you money. So based on your $85,000 a year, I have your gross at $6,974. net comes out to $5,493.29. And I gave you credit for your medical, the 109 that you carry for the child, and that's for the child only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I gave you credit for that. So that brings your child support obligation, well, not the full amount, but it's $1,098.60, okay? $1,098.60. And when you multiply that by 5 months, back pay comes out to $5,493, giving you credit for what you've paid. You said $600?
Yes.
Okay, so $600 times 5 for the past 5 months would be $3,000. That's what you get a credit for. So when you apply the credit to the $5,493, it comes out to $2,493.
Right, time for the legal math. The judge runs the numbers, and here's the bombshell. Based on his income, the husband should be paying around $1,098 per month. That $600 he's been sending? Not enough. Not even close. Sure, he's been covering insurance. But does that make up for the gap? Or is he falling way short of his responsibility? Let's break it down.
To make sure you pay that over time, you want to cover the interest on the amount each month.
Okay.
So you can do about $149 would be interest if you do like 6% interest every month, which is what the state is entitled to. So about $150 a month would cover the interest, and you would add that to the monthly child support obligation. So that would make your full monthly child support obligation of $1,248.
Okay. But
And once that $2,493 is paid in full, the amount will go back down to the $1,098.60.
I mean, I've been giving her money. I think the $600 was sufficient.
Well, technically, it is good that you did give her money, but your child support obligation based on what you make comes out to about $400 more than that. So you were short. Had you been giving her $1,000 a month.
Time, back pay. The judge rules that the husband owes support for the last 5 months. But since he's already paid $600 a month, he gets credit for that $3,000. After doing the math, the total back pay comes to $5,493, leaving him with just under $2,500 still owed. And don't forget, the state adds interest. That's right. Every month this bill grows like a ticking time bomb.
Dollars or something like that. But yeah, that's the reason why you have back pay owed. But you did get a credit for the $600 that you did give her for the past 5 months.
Here comes a final decision. For the next few months, the husband must pay about $1,248 each month. That's regular child support plus interest on the back pay. Once that debt is cleared, his payment drops back to $1,098 a month. Fair? Well, he's been paying $600 for months, but the court says he should have been paying more all along. In family court, fairness doesn't always mean what you expect.
Y'all have any other questions? Anything else we need to discuss here today? Okay, well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. You're welcome.
And there it is. The gavel comes down. The husband now owes an extra $2,493 in back pay, plus a new monthly obligation of over $1,200 until he catches up. Mrs. Allen walks away with a financial victory. But here's the question. Was $600 a month already enough, or does the court have it right? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love courtroom showdowns like this, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more jaw-dropping cases.